Hello and welcome to another tutorial from Rusty Mango Design. In this tutorial we'll look at how you create columns using the Columns Shortcode plugin written by CodePress. Now as you can see, I'm in the dashboard. If you'd like to add the plugin, you'll need to go over here to Plugins and Add New. I've already done that to this website, so I'm going to dive right into my content and show you how to use the plugin. I'll go to one of my pages where I'm applying it at the moment. And here's the regular edit page. Now the plugin allows you to organize your content into columns. So you don't have to use tables, you don't have to type in the shortcodes yourself, you basically just have to click on a button and up she comes. Here's the button up the top here. Once you've installed the plugin, you'll have select shortcode. Now I want to have a column set up here, which is 2/3 of the page of content, as in written content, and the other third of the page is going to be an image. I'm going to put the image first, so I'm going to clear myself a bit of space here. So I've got a blank line to insert my shortcodes into, and then I come up to my select shortcode button. So the first one's going to be the image, so I'm going to go to select the type of column I want. I want 1/3 of the page. And then after that, I'm going to go back up there. Make sure your cursor's clicking at the end of the shortcode there. I'm going to go back up the top here and I'm going to choose this one here, 2/3. Because it's the last column across the page, and this is very important, I need to select the one that has last written over it. So the program, WordPress, knows that this is the last column going across the page. If I was doing 3 even columns, I'd do it like this. I'd go select shortcode, I'd go 1/3, make sure my cursor's in the right spot, another third, and for the final third, I'd go to the next line, 1/3 last, and that adds this last code here to shut the columns across the page. I don't need that one, so I'm going to delete that. And now I'm going to take my content that I've already got down here, I'm going to cut it, and I'm going to click between the 2 shortcode brackets. Make sure you go between the shortcodes. The shortcodes are marked by square brackets on each edge. I'm going to put my my content in there. If I go to update, I haven't got an image in there yet, don't worry about that at the moment. And now I go to view that page, you'll see what I have done. Okay, the content now goes across 2/3 of the page. Now when I'm finished, obviously this will go all the way over here because there's an image going into the column here. So that's how you use the Columns Shortcode plugin provided by WordPress. It takes a bit of practice, but the key thing is to remember that you need to put in the last command as you're going across the columns on the page. If you don't do that, the formatting won't work the way you want it. Another important tip is always have a carriage clear or a return after you've put the brackets in. So for example, here's your square brackets. I don't want my content sitting like that. I want my content down on the next line. If you don't put that break in there, once again, the formatting can mess up. So that's an important thing to remember as well. Thank you for following this tutorial.